Yeah, I had to do some of that with pictures. I had Trevor help me though because I didn't know what I was doing.
First doctor's appointment. He's need.